So friends, Dayton here with Prodria Cleaning Services, and I want to share with you something that I'm very proud to receive this, and I really appreciate for some of you doing this for me. We love to get your checks, but we also love to get this. This is an invoice that we send out to a client, but when he sent it out, here's what he said. Thank you for coming back out. Our carpets look clean. Eugenie. Thank you so much for writing that note. And that happens in some jobs. When things don't go well the first time, we will come back and make it right. But we appreciate the check first of all, but most important, that great feedback. I got one more that it says hello. Here it is. It says hello. Thank you for taking care of my daughter's rug, and thank you for your help. Teron was quite a gentleman. Thank you so much for that, Gene. I appreciate you taking a minute to send me this beautiful card, and we will share it with all the employees. Thank you so much.